How has APICS sort of been involved in your career in supply chain?
So I started in APICS probably 25 years ago. And with APICS, I originally certified under the CPIM program, and that was foundational in helping me understand kind of distribution and basic inventory calculations. And, it was a great course for me. Back then, they had 6 courses I think we had to take that focused on different areas of inventory management, production management. Since then, I've gone and taken the CSCP program and the CLTD program to expand my knowledge of transportation, distribution, logistics, and also supply chain in general with some of the more advanced supply chain and maybe more purchasing focused stuff that comes out of the CSCP program.
And what advice would you give to young professionals who are seeking careers in blockchain and supply chain in general?
My career kind of fell in my lap, and I was following breadcrumbs more than following a set path that I laid out for myself. There's a work piece, and then beyond the work piece, there's an education piece and a networking piece. Explore, if you're young, all of the different areas. Take a program like the APICS, CPIM, or CSCP program. Explore the areas, try to understand what interests you. Schools now offer work terms sometimes if you're in university or college. Go out and take those work terms and try to get a variety of jobs. Try to be a purchasing agent. Try to work in a warehouse. Try to work in a logistics organization. Try to work at a consulting company. And you're going to get exposed to the breadth of supply chain. And then as you do that, start thinking about how you can apply technology. And don't think about blockchain in isolation. I'm a blockchain guy, but think about what new technologies can bring. Because there's a lot of great technologies out there. IoT, you've heard me talk about today. IoT is making a huge impact on supply chains. So is artificial intelligence through machine learning. Don't look at blockchain just as a blockchain. And try to understand each process and how technology might help the process. I like to redesign my processes before I go apply technology.
That's very, very insightful. Thank you so much for taking the time to answer a few questions, and can't thank you enough for coming to give this presentation.
Pleasure to be here. Thank you very much. Take care.